What's up, guys? It's the Super Dudes, and today we're doing Guess What's in the Box challenge.
I will put one item in the box, and one of them will feel around without seeing the item and try to figure out what it is. Okay, so John is going first. Hey.
I know where it is. I can't. Where is it? It's a music instrument.
Is that your final guess?
Yeah.
Okay, you can look at it now.
No! I knew it. Oh!
Okay, Caleb, it's your turn.
I can't even. Can you just get closer? To my hands.
John, help him.
I don't even know what it's your hand. Nope, you can't. Stapler.
Good job. Go ahead, John.
I don't feel anything. Let me scoot it closer.
There you go, pick it up. Caleb, watch out.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Hot sauce.
Nope.
You can't. Ketchup.
Yep, it's ketchup.
Okay, bye.
Okay, go ahead. You're probably gonna have to give it to him. Hand him.
Hope it's not. What is it? Did I have 3 guesses?
No, you have one.
Oh. Candy. What type? I got it right!
We'll give you half a point.
What? I have one. John.
Okay.
Is it something bad?
No, just go. What is that in your hand?
I don't know.
How do you not know?
Oh, it's a piece of paper. Okay, let's.
Okay, Band-Aids. I'll give you half a point, half a point.
Yes!
Okay?
You're never gonna guess. Think this. Scoot it more closer. I'm totally never going to guess. Here, I can help. Fly around.
Good job. Go.
Oh no, I lost it.
Why would you do that?
It's a cracker.
Good job. Okay, go ahead.
Here. Plate with.
What's on the plate?
Can I hold my hand out?
No.
Ketchup.
No. Peanut butter.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Bye. Lazy.